Hey guys, Chris here from the range, and I got the new thing from FN. Now, this is the new guy. It's the little guy, but it's the big one. So, the brand new FN Reflex XL. So, compared to, sorry about all the sound guys, we got training going on next door. But anyway, so just like the regular Reflex, it's a little bit longer, and it basically goes from the 10-round magazine or the 12-round magazine that the Reflex comes with, all the way out to an 18-round magazine, with the 15-rounder being the standard. So on the XL, we got the standard flush fit magazine and the extended magazine. So we got 15 round capacity, 18 rounds in the extended mag, same great sights with that really bright front night sight, blacked out rear. You have the RMS C cut on top, so you can put all your baby optics on there. As everybody knows, we're big fans of like the Holosun 407K, maybe the EPS if you want to do something like that, or the SES carry, any of those options will jump right on there. You get a ambidextrous safety in that you can go from this side, you can flip it over for you backwards guys and have the release on the opposite side. Still internal hammer, so you get a really great trigger, real nice defined wall, no creep, and then just a nice break. If you're doing, the only thing, if you're doing dry fire, one thing I noticed is you gotta go all the way back in order for it to reset. If you just short stroke it like we're used to on our striker guns, there's no trigger. You gotta go all the way back and then the trigger comes back. It's a hammer fired gun. It's part of how they made the triggers so nice in this thing. So ultimately, like I said, a little bit bigger than the regular Reflex. It's about the same size as the really popular Macro. Basically same size overall. As you know, this one has two 17-round magazines. This one comes with a 15 and an 18. And enough talking, like let's see how this thing shoots. Very nice, very nice. Good recoil control, doesn't have a whole lot of recoil overall. For a small gun, I mean, recoil spring, very well balanced. Really nice shooting gun. So come check them out. The Reflex XL from FN, looking at about that $600 mark. Again, optic cut, great sights, night sights from the factory, which, why doesn't everybody do that? Glock. But anyway, great gun. Come check us out, 14803 Manchester Road in beautiful Baldwin. We are the Range St. Louis West. Let's load this up and shoot some more.